So we're going to look at your 3.11 quiz, which talks about inscribed quadrilaterals. So quadrilaterals with all the vertices lying on the circle. And we want to know here what the measure of angle A is. Well, the big property that you need to remember when we're dealing with inscribed quadrilaterals is the fact that opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. So A and C in this instance are opposite angles. So angle A plus angle C add up to 180. So we're going to take 4x plus 5 plus x plus 15, set it equal to 180. We're going to solve by combining like terms. 4x plus x gives us 5x. 5 plus 15 gives us 20. That's equal to 180. We subtract 20 on both sides. We get 5x equals 160. Finally, we divide by 5, and we end up with x equals, and you're going to take 160 divided by 5 in your calculator. And you'll get 32 for x. But that's not what the question asked. It asked the measure of angle A. So we're going to plug in 32 for x right here. And we'll have 4 times, instead of x, we're going to put 32. So 4 times 32 plus 5. So 4 times 32 gives you 128, plus 5 gives you 133 degrees for angle A. Next, we have one where we want to know the measure of angle A again here, but this time, in order to find that, we're going to have to use actually the other pair of angles to solve for x first. Look at these two angles, B and D. They have to add up to 180, so that x plus 116 has to equal 180. Remember, opposite angles in an inscribed quadrilateral always add up to 180. So we subtract 116 on both sides, and we end up with x equals, and you're going to get 64. So x is 64. Now we need to find A by plugging that back in. 2 times 64 minus 40. And you'll get 88 for the measure of angle A. So 88 degrees will be your answer for angle A.